in the 2017 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.